Steve Jobs, a visionary who changed the way we live. Steve Jobs was one of the most influential innovators of the modern age, best known as the co-founder of Apple Inc. Born in 1955 in California, Jobs was adopted shortly after birth, a fact that later shaped his unique view on life and destiny. From an early age, he showed curiosity about electronics and creativity, which eventually led him to explore technology, not just as a tool, but as a form of art. In 1976, Steve Jobs founded Apple with Steve Wozniak in a small garage. Although Apple started as a modest company, it quickly grew into a powerful force in the technology industry. The Apple II and later, the Macintosh were revolutionary products that changed how people interacted with computers. Unlike other computers of the time, which were complex and unfriendly, Apple products were designed to be intuitive and visually appealing. Jobs believed that technology should serve people, not confuse them. This belief is clearly shown in his famous statement, "That design is not just how something looks, but how it works." Because of this philosophy, he insisted on simplicity, even when it required difficult decisions. What made Jobs special was not only his technical knowledge, but also his ability to connect technology with human emotion.